As this year comes to an end and we start a new year, most of us are trying to do better. This is probably the coolest gadget that I found that's going to help me do that. From GoSun, and it is their reusable fork, spoon, and case. They have on the back of their box 322 plastic utensils are used by the average American every year. By bringing this tiny little thing with you, it can fit in your wallet, it can fit in your pocket, it can fit in your purse. You can save so much plastic pollution. It comes in this case. You have your spoon, your fork. Also has, like you can see, the little serrated, I think is the word, edge, which you can use as a knife, but it keeps it TSA compliant, so you can take it on airplanes, you can travel with it. One more thing I wanted to show. Inside the box that they come in, if you open it up, they have these cute little, what they call awareness cards. And so it says, plastic utensils suck. Every day, enough plastic forks, spoons, and knives get thrown away to fill more than 3,000 garbage trucks, which is insane. It's just such a good item to give to anyone this year. It's perfect for a little stocking stuffer for your kids, for your husband, for your wife, whatever. It's also great for backpackers, for camping. Just an awesome little gift that will help you do better and be better in 2023.